Currently in our area, 64 degrees with light rain. Today, a steady rain. The rain will be heavy at times. High 63. Rainfall near a half an inch. Tonight, rain. Low 61. Chance of rain 90%. Rainfall near a quarter of an inch. Tuesday, morning showers. High 70. Chance of rain 30%. Here's our 7-day outlook.
Free TV starts with Local Now. With hundreds of free TV channels,
we've got some breaking news to get to.
These are the big cases that everyone is talking about.
Local news in hundreds of cities.
Good evening. Thanks for joining us here on NBC6.
And thousands of movies and shows.
Hold them as long as you can.
It's time to do free differently. Local Now, free TV that starts in your city.
It has been an exceptional winter for much of upstate New York this season as